What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite girl, Sera.
It's your boy, Tuxx.
And okay, guys, we are currently here at Palolo. This place is based in a pier. How far? Like
go there. From the town centre, probably about 5-minute drive.
5-minute drive.
About 5-minute drive. From our accommodation, what, 2-minute drive?
2-minute drive, yeah.
Very close.
We're gonna go for a swim. We have the CLC family already in there, and we're gonna take in our snorkels. Okay, guys, let's go see what's underneath the ocean.
Oh, these ones? Yeah. Like my little brother on there.
He's like, every time I look at Bowen, I think it's my brother.
It's tasty. Oh, yeah. Not as salty as Altona. Fuck yeah, you're my brother. Welcome to Samoa!
Is it shallow? Oh, no way!
Ethan! We're coming! So we're coming!
Goodbye, Paul. She's such a tourist.
That's
why I wanted that. He put his head on. Get up. Say hello.
Alright fam, so changed over snorkels. I had the blue one before, but I think my head's just too massive, eh? And my moustache keep kind of like lets the water come in, so I'll see how we go with this one. So that one, the blue one, from BFC, it was like 40 bucks, 30 bucks I think. And this one was from Kmart. How much was this, honey? This Kmart one? Do you remember?
Yeah, how much was that one? 20 bucks? What was that thing? 10?
This one?
That one.
25 bucks. Let's see how we go. Also, before you start trolling me, no, these aren't kids ones. These are adult size, especially that one. And yeah, but also I had to kick the shoes off, kick the swimming shoes off. It was just quite weird when I was swimming. So here we go. Alright, so the water kind of got in, but I think the Kmart one was better.
This water's nice.
That's its defensive. I think they keep you and put the stuff inside. Show honey. Yeah. Oh, go touch it. Touch it.
No.
Touch it to her.
Touch it to her. Asians always go fishing for it. And then I always used to look up the pictures, and I think the broke ones in Oz are brown. God, I had this.
Yes, he's like, what do you call him, Samoa? Sera. Sera.
What's there?
Sera.
The inside of that.
Oh, that's the inside of
Is
it.
that what the Sera is? Shut up.
Yeah, the inside.
You can eat the outside too.
But what do you call the actual sea slug? Do you know? The salmon? No.
Is that the stuff?
Cook Islands,
inside.
it's called rori.
Is it yellow and it's like
Yeah, called rori. Rori.
That's yeah. Wait,
But the sea
that is
slug
yeah.
is called. If you know the name.
I want to squeeze it, but I don't want it to because it will linger the mess.
Oh, Sanga's got a dinosaur. Holy moly! It's fossil, mate.
That's a dead
It's a
coral.
fossil.
So it's a PP.
Ready?
So like one of my best friends is fish or half fish. We're doing it and his name's Tane.
Let's see where this is going.
Fuck Tane, yeah, bro. He used to just rage. He used to get angry as.
When the school boys from Montana used to come down and play against us in Britain.
Oh, we are not. He went.
Salty, thirsty.
Thirsty, bro.
Someday I'll give
Awa.
you water.
No more. Tap his back on it.
Come here, take water. Get out.
Ethan.
Before you kick your water home.
Look at the moon.
Come to us.
Go, it's okay. Good boy. Good job. Kick, 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 kick.